Okay, today I'm very excited. I got a new bag from Ryan Grocery. They are Great Hall City. It's a very good department, grocery shop with a lot of great food. Let's see what treasure they give me to cook for today. So they give me a V beef, which is actually a vegan beef, a plant-made beef. I got some cheese, which is actually a dairy-free cheese with it. I got fantastic caramelized onion from Chef Julien, myself, our caramelized onion sous vide. And then we have some spinach. We got the bun, so we're going to do a burger, that for sure. We have a bit of a sauce and some chutney. So we're going to work out all this product and see what kind of dish we can do with that. So we're going to start. We have our caramelized onion that we have in this poche. So those caramelized onions are really sous vide, pre-cooked caramelized onion, which come into a small vacuum bag and just need to be a bit reheated. To reheat it, we're going to put it just in a water bath for the time being with us. Voilà. So now we're going to look at our V beef. So it's actually a protein beef, so absolutely no meat on it, totally vegetarian item. So we open that bag and let's get our beef out. So we have 2 patty with us. Into that we will have the cheese. Now we have also that cheese, which is a vegan cheese with us. So it's already pre-sliced and ready to use. Here now I pan-sear the beef, so I will pan-sear just a bit of oil. Pan-sear on both sides, not too hot, just to make sure the beef melts a little bit. I add on the cheese on top of it. I make sure then it gets a bit hot just to let the cheese melting. Then I top up both beef together to make my double burger the way I want it. Very nice bun. I will just sear them a little bit with the cooking oil of our burger. Caramelized onion. So what we do, we have this poche which has been warmed up a little bit. We pour it into the hot pan just to give it a little bit of a sear and to gain back a bit of the flavor out of it. Then I top up on top of my brioche bun. So we're just going to cover the bun properly. The onion here will give a lot of flavor to your burger. So here we are. On the bottom first, then I will take my burger, I will place it on top of the onion. Voila, very, very gently, very carefully. Voila. And now I will add on a bit more onion on top of it. So that will help again to melt a little bit the cheese with the hot onion. And then I top up with the bun, and here we go. Look at that, we have a nice and juicy double burger. Okay, so now we're going to do our salad. So we're taking this spinach salad, so it's a local spinach salad made in Singapore. We're going to put that in our little mixing bowl. I'm going to use that sauce with us to do the seasoning of the salad. Here we go. Voilà, on va bien mélanger ça. Et là, I got my wonderful double burger with cheese, caramelized onion, a fresh spinach salad and some chutney. yummy. Oh la la.